Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the wallpaper and style. Then click here to my wallpapers or gallery. Lock screen wallpaper service. For example, we can see that unfortunately in my gallery I have no any photos here. I just didn't use the camera previously, so let's use our just default wallpaper. Just tap here to the wallpaper which you wanna set and select lock screen. Now tap set on lock screen, wait a second, and we can see that our wallpaper applied successfully. So now let's just check it. And we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our Samsung Galaxy Tab. Also get one more way how we can do that. Just pinch with your finger and then tap on the wallpaper and style section, and by the same way select just new wallpaper from the services gallery or your wallpapers. Just select it, tap to lock screen, click to set on lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.